So those are going to start getting refinanced at a higher rate. And I think that will be a tailwind to liquidity. And so it's for all those reasons that I expect us to have a pullback or a correction. The reason I don't yet think we're going to have a full-on crash, like many are predicting, is because I think monetary authorities will counteract that, or at least will try to counteract that. And I know there's people out there say, well, markets are bigger than governments. And you're absolutely right. They will. They are. And eventually that will happen. But I am not someone who believes that the Fed is out of bullets. I think there's a lot of things that the central banks can still do. I think there's a lot of things that the monetary authorities can do. Whether they should do them or not, that's an entirely different conversation. But I think they will. And so I think right now, to me, it's a fairly easy decision for me to be hedged. I'm actually kind of neutral to even maybe slightly net short right now based on the number of hedges that we have. And to me, it's a fairly easy decision right now because sentiment is pretty high, not as high as it was a couple weeks ago, but it's pretty high. Positioning is no longer super bullish, and we no longer have the tailwind. Where I think it gets really hard, Tony, is if we do get a 10% correction, then what do you do, right? Is that the dip that you buy, or is that where you like really, get careful because the crash is coming? And again, I don't know the answer to it, but I'm happy to be neutral to net short right now, and just kind of wait and see what happens over the next month or two.